Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, consider subscribing, hit the likes up, and comment down there in the bottom if you like what we're doing here today. Today we're working on my 2005 Audi A6, also known as my neglected Audi, and I'm gonna install these snazzy little light bulbs into where the DRLs go. Not that I use the DRLs, but daytime running lights, but I want to see what the bulbs do inside the housing. They look pretty good on my older Audi, so I hope that it looks good on this too. Just because it is the way the color is and everything, the way it reflects off the housing, it'll look like something pretty fancy. Other than that dull, clear bulb. These light up amber or yellow or orange. And like I said, I don't use the DRL. I'm just doing it for the effect, for the look of it. So let's get to that. First, you're gonna want to reach in, undo the tabs, the reservoir here is kind of in the way, but I should be able to get this. Let me get this cover off real quick, and because it's getting jammed up here. It's not gonna work one-handed, so let me take that cover off real quick, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, I got the cover off. Just had to finagle it around the power steering reservoir. You just had to pull it away a little bit. Don't be scared, just wiggle it around it a little bit. So now we should just be able to reach in. Probably gonna have to go this way. Just reach in and grab it. There it is. It says it's an 1156, and that's what these are, 1156. So let me install that and let's see what it looks like inside the housing. Well, it looks pretty good. So you can see the way it reflects all in there, whatever angle I'm in. That's just more for when I'm driving towards people. They see it, it's reflecting in there. It looks like something fancier than what it really is. And I'll show you the comparison. I mean, it's nice and clear, but that's not my thing. I was hoping to put them in the corner light, but I got to get a different bulb, and those are very hard to find nowadays. I've had them for a long time when those bulbs were hot. So you can see, I just like the way it reflects all inside the housing. So let me turn that on, and I'll show you that it lights up in amber. And I don't use the DRLs or the daytime running lights, so it doesn't matter to me. But it might be a cool effect also. So let me find this key. And I'll turn those on and show you what it looks like. All right, just click car, go to Exterior lighting. And they should be on. You see, it's like an amber. It's supposed to be like for a marker light or a blinker. But those might actually look pretty good coming down the road also. I might have to start using my DRLs more often. See, they got every different angle. It's got kind of a different color. So now it's time for the other side. I've already got a video on how to take care of this other side. So those of you who are interested on changing those up, just check one of my other videos. I'll post it up there. You can see the big difference in just a plain bulb and something like this. I think I do kind of like that. I'm gonna have to I'll have to definitely switch them out and start using the DRLs more. I wish I could tell you how to find these. You might have to really search online. These are some Osram Sylvania. It says the ST. But I mean, they're hard to find now. They're really hard to find. They were all over the shelves a few years ago, and now they're real hard to find. So you're gonna have to find a way to order them if you really want these. But this video is a 2-in-1. It'll show you how to take care of the driver's side or passenger side, depending on where in the world you are, DRL. And I already have a video doing the driver's side, so I'm gonna do that one off camera, and because it requires removing the airbox, and I'm sure some of you don't want to see that again. So yeah, that's it. From that to this. Now I appreciate you guys coming by. Let me turn this off real quick. Alright, I appreciate you guys coming, spending some time with me. Consider hitting the subscribe button. Please hit the likes and comment down there below if you need some more information about these vehicles, or if you have any input and any suggestions. The only thing left I got to do to make it a complete daily is my oil change. I tried doing it, but I don't have the right socket for the filter housing, and I might want to order another one because they do break. The tools that I did have, all this was flexing around and everything, so it might break on me if I don't get the right socket. I was just using an adjustable wrench. But you guys stay tuned for that. The oil change is pretty basic and easy. So I don't know where you're going to be able to find these. I thought I saw some on the shelf the other day for a different size. It might be for the that I can use for the corner lights. Yeah, just you guys let me know. Please subscribe, like, share, you know, the whole YouTube jazz. And stay tuned for more. Be nice to each other. Be safe.